Una welcome to Crypto Gist, and na still me on a Crypto Babe. And today I won't give una confirm story about how to dey security conscious. Na im make the topic of today be scam alert. But before I go continue, I wan ask those of una wey never subscribe to my channel, say wetin you still dey wait for? So rush now, abeg help me click the like button, subscribe to this channel, and you see that bell when they dey ring am, make you get notification anytime when I put up another new video. So today I want to talk about scam alert. And this scam alert I want to talk about now because it's some kind people, they don't dey form smart guy, sharp guy, they won't come dey do people up and down on top of this crypto space. And as we all know, this crypto space still be like baby, and these people, they won't begin to spoil the space for us. Now I see my come tell una ways when this one go use catch them in case they won't come bring mago come on our side. So the first thing we say, you need to know, say cryptocurrency no be MMM. So if in case you won't put in 1,000 naira, can't get 100,000 naira, they go just collect your 1,000 naira, and now so they will gather like 50 people 1,000 naira. They don't make money be that, they go. So cryptocurrency no be MMM. So no try to make sharp money from them. Number two, they say cryptocurrency no be Ponzi scheme. Anyone when they tell you, say okay, bring one person, that your one person will come bring two people, their two people will come bring another two people, say your money will come dey increase. No be cryptocurrency be that. Cryptocurrency no dey work like that. You understand? Cryptocurrency no dey work like that. Na Ponzi scheme be that. So if you hear that kind of talk, run sharp because no be cryptocurrency way be that. Then another thing you need to know be say some kind airdrop na a wolf coin when be say cryptocurrency projects they give out. So some people, they will open company, say their company want do cryptocurrency things, they will come decide say they won't give a wolf coin, and that coin na in their projects go they run on. So some cryptocurrency projects, the coin when they give, it dey legit, but then this mago people now, they will come they give out some kind this thing, say feed this form na airdrop, feed the form na airdrop. You say if you go the feed, now make them they tell people, say if you want to do airdrop, get separate email address when you go to use they do the airdrop. Let me say now your real your real address when you say all your money dey inside, now you go they use they do that airdrop. So you just got to wise up, make it safe. If not, your money go waka come off for inside your wallet. Then another thing be say you need to know, say your private key be like your BVN. You need to protect them well. If somebody actually say bring your private key, give us your private key, they lie give you because they won't carry your money come out. So you got to sharp. If they say bring your private key come, won't collect that one, you won't just they give person your BVN. Should be on. I don't hear stories of how they used to do people of their money. If they call them, ask them for BVN. So you got smart. If they tell you, say bring your BVN, you say send, give them. Then another one wey can surprise me, as in the surprisation when he give me, really shocked me to my bone marrow. Now say then these people, they don't get liver, so they don't advertise their products for radio. I did my own jelly one day. Now I hear somebody they advertise for radio, say blockchain bonds. Now myself, I could listen to the adverts where we now. Person say blockchain bonds. If you put in 10,000 naira, you go to earn at least 20,000 naira every month. Me sef my ear come long now. Me sef I won't hear the story where now come listen, they can't call number, can't call the number. Now in this people come they tell me funny story. Me I know say now only government now they give out bonds. Individuals no fit just carry bonds they give out like that. Now only government they give out bonds. So when you hear that kind of thing, make yourself sharp, do investigation, find out where may not just carry money go give them. And the smart thing when these people they do be say they will make the money they very cheap. So when you hear 10,000 naira to invest, 10,000 naira na small money now, you just carry your money throw inside because you self you define high returns. Everybody they find way to invest, and everybody try to secure their future. So you go carry your money go put. Even though the money self too big, it big go for some people like 10,000 naira person salary. So no carry your money go throw away like that. So in case you hear all those kind of things, ask question. I can ask them, say okay, maybe they give me their website. Now these people tell me say their website now Coin Market Cap. And all of us know say Coin Market Cap no be Nigerian company. Now company when be say they list now website when they list all the cryptocurrency and their amount on top of internet. So in case you hear all these things, may you sharp way. Then last no let longer throat wound you. If you hear all this awoof thing, ask question, do your own research, find out more, ask people. Person when they ask question no dey miss road. So I want to thank all of now wey follow me reach the end of this video. So in case you never subscribe to my channel, abeg rush subscribe, like this video and share am, make another person sef dey aware of how people dey use scam people of their cryptocurrency and even their own naira sef. Because we don hear stories of people wey be say dem tell them say they come buy Bitcoin. Even one sef, I think last year for Calabar, dem dupe some people of Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin dey legit, but na bad people na im dey make technology be like say technology bad. So you sef shine your eye well well, make you no go fall victim to all these people when they form sharp guy.